যোৱাকালি ডিচেম্বৰ 1 পৰা নাগালেণ্ড লাষ্ট চব ডাঙৰ ফেষ্টিভেল হৰ্ণবিল ফেষ্টিভেল শুৰু হৈছে ইটোলা পাৰ্টে আজি ডিচেম্বৰ 2 ৱৰ্ল্ড ৱাৰ II ৰেলী 2025 থাকিছে ছবিমা NAMSA হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰ ৰেলী লা ফ্লেগিং অফ চেৰেমনি দে ডিমাপুৰ মিউনিচিপেল কাউন্সিল চেয়াৰমেন হুকেটো য়েপথমি ব্ৰা স্পেচিয়েল গেষ্ট কৰি দিছে ৰেলীটো ছবিমা নামচা হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰ পৰা শুৰু কৰি কিনা কহিমা ৱাৰ চেমেট্ৰি দে ৰখিব আৰু তাতে ব্ৰা কিছামাদে যাব কৈ কিনা জনাইছে IB Itula detailed report sabo.
We are at the second day of the 26th edition of the Hornbill Festival 2025 and right now I am standing near the Second World War Museum and as you can see behind me are a lot of cars. So what is this? This is the most iconic and most symbolic events during the Hornbill Festival. This happens annually in Kohima and behind me you can see a lot of cars that are modified. So this represents the countries and the dignitaries and the people who represent the different countries and the people who fought during the Second World War, who laid their lives. This is very historic, symbolic and also emotional at the same time. But as you can see, there are a lot of cars, so we will be asking them which countries they represent. So most of these, the people here are dressed as one of the countries who fought during the fiercest battle, that is the Battle of Kohima. So this peace rally starts from the town of Kohima to the symbolic places and it comes here. This happens annually in Kisama Heritage Village and right now the program will start in some time. So we will be asking some of the representatives here and the participants which country they are representing. So right now I am standing just beside one of the cars and then I'll just ask them which country they are representing. So sir, could you please introduce yourself and then could you tell us about the vehicle that you're driving and which country you represent?
So my name is Nungti and this is a high bonnet Willys Jeep and I'm representing the British Army. Yeah.
So how long did it take for you to modify this Jeep, or I can see a gun that is here, so can you also explain about it and what goes on to making this Jeep so beautiful and then the details of your outfit as well?
The vehicle owner is my uncle and I don't know how long he took to restore this vehicle, but the get-up, it took me about a year to get the original water bottles and water cans and all. Yeah.
If cameraman can focus like so how can you tell us how old this Jeep is?
Most of the Jeeps are from the war. Yeah, so 1942 most of them and this one is post-war. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. So we have another car here and then we have some representatives. So तो मान यदि अहिना से and then यदि भी एकता जीप खड़ा करना से and then चारजन मनु यदि ऐसे तो I भी थांगे खुदी वो like कुंतो country represent करे से आरो इतु जीप तो कित्या ला से की ला से आरो थाना outfit ला भी खुदी साव तो sir इतु जीप आरो अपनी ला outfit खान तो कुंतो country अपनी हान represent करे से ना
मोहन British Army ना इतु represent करे से है आरो जीप तो exact जो सालो ना जने हले भी दो war ला time लगा ऐसे तो ना
अपनी हान इतु कपड़ाहान source करा तो कुदे वार करे आरो किमान time लोए इतु यदि पुंचुले
आमी हान इतु तो market पर आमी हान निजु पर सिलाई से टेलर पर ना आरो एनी 1 week निशना लुसी मोने तो arrangement करे ना preparation करे
तो अपनी हान इतु rally तो कुदे वार start करे ना आइश ना कुदे वार ठीक अपनी हान जमा करे ना start करना आइशे
आमी हान दे hydro वार जमा करे से इना करे ना ये war cemetery जाय से तते वार इते आइ जसे
So अपनी हान इतु होताई साल part लुई थाके इतु किले माने इतु Hornbill ला time दे one of the most symbolic historic एकता event असे इतु भी तो अपनी हान होताई साल participate करे ना इतु साल first time करे से
आमी हान तो आमी हान ला third time आसे तो every year participate करे आसे मोन ना
Okay, thank you so much for your time. इतिया मान यदे खरा करा दो बिशी interesting Jeep एकता दिखिना आसे आरो यदे बंदूक खान भी ऐसे and then इतु की कोई ना sir इतु के bazooka. Okay, bazooka. So huda udikuro like what country they are representing aro idu gari idu an banawlebi repair kurlebi kiman time lagise to sir apni olop kui dibo idu gari la aro apni la outfit aro idu kiman time lagise aro idu gari bi kiman purana ase?
Itu gari to 1944 la ase. It's 80 years now almost, and I restored. It's a collection from other countries too, like more from Myanmar, aro I mean within the country be from Manipur, aro from Nagaland, aro from other countries, foreign countries like parts be ase. Aro it takes beshi maintenance to done ase. Saman to available na thaki to maintenance to beshi done ase. Aro American to ini Second World War laka British laka de outfit de aise. Yeah.
तो अपनी मुई दिखा हिसाब से तो US आर्मी ना उना लिखना से तो अपनी इदु कपड़ा भी सोर्स करे ना अपनी निजोर बनाए इदु आरो किमान टाइम लगे ना इदु आन सब प्रिपेयर करा दो.
Yeah, it is depend upon the individual, our friends, we have a club called Nagaland Flag Frontiers. So we source it from other like in charge it takes almost a month. Yeah.
So do you participate every year, because this is one of the most historic and symbolic events, rather say emotional also for so many people, and you're representing the countries who laid their lives and never returned home. So do you participate every year, or this is your which time are you participating?
Okay, this is my 10th year. Yeah.
So since I think of all the interviews that I've taken, you are one of the most like veteran participant, I should say. So what is the difference between the first year that you participated and this year? Can you tell us some of the changes that has been made?
Okay. When we first started, we hardly like participants is like 10, 12 like that. Now it's good to see that we are increasing year by year, and this year also we have a good turnout. So in the years to come also, we'll look forward to I can turn out more jeeps. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
So as we were just exploring the jeeps, we saw someone from outside of the state, and apparently he's from Kerala. So sir, can you please introduce yourself and also tell us which country you're representing?
I am from Kerala. My name is Anish. I belong to the district Trivandrum.
You're a participant here in the peace rally.
Yes.
So which country are you representing?
The British. Yeah.
So is it your first time participating, or have you participated before also?
This is my first time, ma'am.
So the outfit that I'm seeing, can you tell us something about the outfit? Where did you source it from, and how long did it take for you to, actually dress yourself?
This was given to me by a friend. This was arranged for me by a friend. And I am also serving personnel, so it's pretty easy for me to get into.
Okay. So can you also tell us something about the gun that you're holding? Because this is a little different from the rest. And can you also tell us how old this is?
Yeah, I believe this is one of the earliest models of light machine gun, probably made in after the First World War, and used through the Second World War. The magazine goes in through here, and we have the handle here, and the empty case is supposed to come down here, this place. So you put the magazine here, you do it once, cock the lever once, the gun is ready to fire, and that's it.
It's quite interesting. So, sir, what made you participate in this peace rally, and how has your experience been so far?
The experience has been quite good, and after all, I believe that peace is what everyone wants, ultimately.
So, thank you so much for your time, and all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, I can see सबसे डांगो गाड़ी एकता तो ये देवरा दिखे से, and as I can see by the flag, it is Japan la se. तो अभी थांगे भी हुदी साओ ताकन. Of course, we know that they are representing Japanese army. हुई भी तो अपने यहाँ तो गाड़ी तो किमान पुराना असना और इतो बनाओले किमान टाइम हन लगे.
1947 लगा से इतो. अरे इतो बना तो 2 months लगी से मैन. अरे इतो जापानी प्राइस है मैन. इतो होमबिल गाने इमान दो कुरेगे ना ये तो पंचोला तो 2 months 2 week पंची 2 बड़ा पंची.
इतो कपड़ा costume चलावी जापान आर्मी लाए हो ना, तो इतो source कुरेले किमान टाइम लगे नोले बनाओले भी किमान टाइम लगे ना.
इतो टोपी बना बोले तो 1 week तो लगे, और कपड़ा दूसरा kan मिला ले तो 1 month नहीं लगी जे.
तो अपने इतो every year अपने participate करे ना किन्या से?
Oh, every year है मैम.
इतो अपने like कौन 2 years ना participate करा दो?
2023 बड़ा हाल.
अपने इतो experience to kina ase apni an konishna itu niche hydro war start kurna one of the iconic places itu war cemetery han mi jaina apni an itu peace rally do ahe to itu whole experience to kina ase apni garne
ए तु नि 1 year te ek bara ase तु नि bhala ase kone bhabna kura ase.
Thank you so much for your time. We're exploring the jeeps of the World War II. We have met a very notable person. Everyone knows him, but we would like him to introduce himself and also his car. And as we know that he has been participating all the time, sir, can you please also tell our viewers what this car is and which country are you representing?
Yeah, first of all, I'm T. John Longcomer, and I'm the president of the Nagaland Flat Fenders Club, and under NAMSA, that is Nagaland Adventure Motorsports Association, we are holding this rally of World War II vehicles in the Hornbill Peace Rally. The message that we want to give to the entire world is that we want peace. Nagas stand for peace and harmony with all the peoples of the world. So that is our motto for this rally. We have 26 vehicles here. 6 of them are actual wartime vehicles, the Willys and the Fords MB. The rest of them are, we have a variety of vehicles, including a Nissan here, which is of Japanese origin, and we have various Mahindra Jeeps also. So in short, like that is what we are.
So, sir, can you explain to us something about the Jeep and the costume you're wearing, and where did you source it from, and how long does it take for you to collect all this and put it together?
Well, actually, we have a lot of vehicle restorers. These vintage vehicles were left behind or given by the Allied forces to the Nagas who had served with them. The Nagas served as scouts. They were the livery. So in gratitude for their acts, the Allied forces, the officers, they gave these jeeps to them. Some of the jeeps are 1942 era, and as you know, like it is very difficult to restore. But again, these vehicles are made for war only. So like they have made it very simple so that soldiers can operate it, repair it on the go. So we were able to source all the spares from all over the world. We have repaired them, and for us to like, the restoration of these jeeps is a joy. It is, we don't consider it as a kind of a burden, nor we are concerned about the expense also. Whatever we can afford, we spend, and we really love these vehicles as historical reminders. We also call them heritage on wheels. Yeah.
So, sir, can you tell us about how this rally has changed from the inception and now? Because we know that this event takes place every year during the Hornbill. It's one of the most historic and symbolic, rather say emotional also for many of the people, because like we all know, all of you are representing the countries who fought the fiercest battle, one of the fiercest battle, and never returned home. So can you tell us how this has improved from the past years?
Well, actually, for myself, I only joined in the year 2019 with my Jeep. But this event started in 2011, and it was the vision of our then CM, Dr. Nifio Rio, who imagined it. And I would like to say that that vision has now come alive, that we are rallying for peace, saying no more to war, and the Nagas have apparently embraced it. We have this Hornbill Peace Rally has become very, very popular. So, plus the number of vehicles and enthusiasts have really increased.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. So as you can see that there are a lot of jeeps and there are a lot of participants who are representing different countries from the Second World War, one of the fiercest battles ever known. And we have interviewed a lot of people and we have seen different kinds of cars, some of which belong from that era. And like many of the speakers have said that this is not just a show, but this is really a peace rally, World War II peace rally. And the message that the Nagas want to give to the world is peace and harmony and reconciliation is the only way. And like someone quoted, there are just two words: we will never again. There will never be another war, and this is the message for the people of the world as well. So this is the update from the second day of the Hornbill Festival, that is the 26th edition 2025. For more updates, keep on watching Hornbill TV. Reporter Yomi with camera person Yamlu, Hornbill TV, Kisama.